Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly clothing subscription. And basically I've been getting them for a while now. I did like a monthly subscription. So you can go look back. I did a few of the baller unboxing and a few of the regular box. Sorry for all the noise upstairs. They don't really care that I'm doing these unboxings. But I've gotten, this is my 9th referral box. So honestly, it's hard to say that it's a scam or not, because you get a monthly subscription, you choose everything that you want as far as like, they have like options of like colorful, bold, not colorful. See, husky, always talkative. Basically, they give you options of what you like. Then they ask all your measurements, your shoe size, your shirt size, your pant size, your likes, dislikes. You send them some photos of different stuff that you do like and styles. They give you specific clothing brands that you can choose from of that you prefer. Doesn't mean you're gonna get that clothing brand. But that said, there's also a referral program, which if you use the link below, it's gonna bring you to a website. That website gives you another link and a code. You have to use that link with the code, and then when you place your order, you get, I think, $50 off your first order, like $50 extra or $50 off. I forget which it is. It's in the description. So basically, then you get your monthly subscription, and you can cancel it right away after you get your first box. You can cancel it so it doesn't auto-renew, or you can let it auto-renew, it doesn't matter. But then I'll get a referral box like this. But the thing with the referral box is, one, it's like they just throw random crap in a box, like the bargain bin, and they just pick stuff and just throw it in. So it's free, but it's free stuff that I may or may not ever wear. Sometimes it's been cool-ish that I would wear it. Majority of the time, not so much. The main monthly subscriptions, you can check those boxes out and see what I've gotten. But like some stuff like this, like I mean, it's for richer or poorer. That's actually not a bad brand. Their socks, I've actually gotten them with other stuff before, so they're not bad, but I'm just not really necessarily a fan of that style. I mean, I know I'm old, but like, come on now. Then it looks like this one came with shirt and shorts, and I guess maybe they're supposed to go together. So that's the thing too, it seems like they've been coming with like sets. So Tommy Hilfiger, that's not bad. I think that's Hilfiger, right? Yeah, Tommy Hilfiger. So that's actually a good brand. And then the next one is Excess, which thing is I tell them my sizes. What's the short size? This should be a medium. Which, okay, a medium, so that's right. But, so I told them I wear large sweatshirts, but I wear medium shirts. But for some reason they send medium and they send large. And I'm sorry, but look how big this is. Like, that's huge. So, I mean, I can wash it and shrink it. Maybe that's the intention, is they know it's gonna shrink. But, it's made of cotton and polyester, so it might shrink a little bit, but not that much. So that's the 3 items, and of course the stickers, which I love stickers. And that's everything that this referral box came with. Tell me what you think of these items. Do you think it was worth me spending like $150? I think it was $150, and then $200, or no, it was $100 because I had the $50 discount. Like, I used someone else's code. Then I was paying $250, but some of the time I was only paying $200 because there were some discounts and stuff like that I was able to get. But I did that, I think, 3 times. So you can see those other unboxings. But what do you think? Think it's worth it? And check out my other videos. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit the notification if you want to see other videos when they pop up. I'll hopefully be doing more videos of my Toyota Supra, my 370Z. I have a lot of video I still need to go through and edit. It's just work and then trying this channel out. So it's kind of, it is what it is. But take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.